If you want to make money on cryptocurrency, then you simply have to use these services, because any professional trader is very closely following the news that is happening in the world of cryptocurrencies. A professional should be able to analyze the market, find out which coins are coming out, which coins have already been released, which projects are starting, which project is pouring in a lot of capital, which project is closing, and so on further. Each professional, in order to facilitate these tasks for himself, finds special sites and services that allow him to more accurately track a particular format. For example, there is a site where it is tracked specifically which coins came out. There is a site where in one click you can see the growth of all coins in one day. There are sites that tell in detail about new projects and which coins will soon be listed. Therefore, dear friends, for you I have collected several services that professionals use to earn money on cryptocurrencies. Sit back, put likes, subscribe to the channel, and let's go figure out these services. And the first service in line is, of course, trading.com. Absolutely all traders use this service, because this service allows you to easily conduct technical analysis, look at absolutely the entire market, not only cryptocurrencies, but also stocks, classic currencies, and so on. This service has absolutely all the tools for technical analysis, which is very important when trading on cryptocurrencies, and not only on cryptocurrencies, in general, everywhere. We can easily look at the chart, choose the parameters that are convenient for us, which allows us to use technical analysis to conduct support levels, resistance levels. That is, it is very convenient to conduct a full technical analysis. We can find absolutely any currency. And in general, VF trading is available on almost every exchange. But if you did not know, there is a separate website where you can also do everything, analyze, and then go to the exchange and trade according to our technical analysis, which is very convenient. By the way, all the services that I'm going to talk about today are absolutely free, with the exception of some services, where possible, for an additional fee, you can get some additional functionality. But in general, the free versions are enough to get the information we need to earn money on cryptocurrency. You can personally visit this site, poke, look, deal with it. But this is one of the most important tools for a trader. So keep in mind, a link to it has all the following services in the description, which I will talk about. There will also be links to them in the description, so you will always find everything, and we move on to the next useful service for trading. And the next service for trading, this Crypto Bubbles, is also a very interesting service. As soon as we log on to it, we are immediately shown a large number of coins that have grown or fallen in a day. If you see a green circle, then, accordingly, this currency has grown in a day. If red, then, accordingly, it has also fallen. We can choose not only in a day, we can look at the currency for a week, for a month. They are so beautiful. They show up interestingly. We just wake up in the morning, go to this site, look at what happened to us during the day on the market, and we can just understand at a glance, what should we do next? Let's say we can even choose the near currency. Click on it. Here everything will be written in detail, on which exchanges this currency is traded, what its capitalization, rating, and chart are. That is, we can all look at this site just in one click. We can also select the following pages, let's say the first and 200th page. There will already be other currencies here. Also in this parameter, we can select a certain exchange, let's say the OKX exchange. Select OKX, and we are shown here all the currencies that are traded on the OKX exchange and how they have changed in a day, a week, for a month, and a year. All this is very convenient. You can go in, guys. There is a link in the description to poke yourself, look, figure it out. If you want to get detailed instructions for each of the services that I am talking about today, then please write about it in the comments, and I will make detailed instructions specifically about each service, how to using it to analyze. We move on to the next service, and the third on our list is the CoinMarketCal service. This is one of the most important services that should definitely be on your list, because this service is, in fact, Coin Calendar. Here we can find out which AMA sessions are currently taking place, which nearest coin will enter the market, on which exchange it will be listed, and so on. We can just drown here in search of a coin suitable for us, or already a coin to which we have invested to see what is happening now. Maybe some new news has come out detailed. Here, if we click on specifically, select Bitmart listing, click on proof, and here will be proof that this is official information. Here, specifically, this is official information from Bitmart Twitter. That is, it says that there is about to be a listing. And we can also safely check the information. Follow the new coins that go on the listing. Take part in these projects. If there is some kind of AMA session where we can get a lot of useful information and purchase this or that asset, or perhaps already have to sell it. Because what the news is unfavorable. In general, you should definitely have this CoinMarketCal service, because those who are looking for a brand new coin want to raise it as quickly as possible on altcoins. Then this service is just a must-have, and we have another service in our queue that can easily be combined with this service, because the next service we have is CoinMarketCal, one of the most popular services, that allows us to track absolutely all cryptocurrencies that exist. Look at their rating, their price, capitalization, and so on. It's just that most of the traders are absolutely professionals use this service because it is one of the most popular. There is a huge amount of useful information here. Even when we go to the first page, we immediately see how many exchanges there are and what capitalization is on the market now. And these data are very important in order to understand how the market feels now, what its mood is. On the main page, we immediately have even an index of fear, greed of traders. Using this slider, we can determine how greedy the market is now, how careful it is. If there was a black stripe on the red one, then this would indicate that the market is now cautious, and accordingly everyone is acting carefully. Now our market is quite greedy. As you can see, our prices are still rising. Bitcoins are already rising at 72,000. We can safely go to any of the coins. Let's say Bitcoin is just the same, and look at the trend of what happened to it during the day. Read the news, see on which exchange, how much it costs now, and get all the information about capitalization by according to how much money is currently in circulation. Here, we can also choose the type of cryptocurrencies, let's say memes coins. Here we have the top meme coins, DOT, Shiba, Pepe, Solana, ecosystem. Choose any moment that interests us. And watch, we analyze on this service and the site. You can still climb on your own. Look, figure it out, but you definitely need it. Once again, I remind you that if you want detailed instructions for each of the services on CoinMarketCal, on TradingWF, then write in the comments, and I will definitely make a detailed guide for beginners, how to use these services, how to spend their analysis, and that's it, I think, guys. All the links to the services, which I talked about today, are in the description. Do not forget to use them, because if you want to really earn on cryptocurrency, you must be head over heels in cryptocurrency. You just have to read the news related to cryptocurrency. You must be aware of all the events that are happening, at least a little bit. You just have to be aware and understand what is leading to this or that news related to a particular cryptocurrency. How can it affect its price? Thank you all for watching. Put likes, subscribe to the channel, explore the world of cryptocurrency with me.